Hey, my name is Phil from beginnerwebsite.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a WordPress theme. Now, if you are looking at a page that looks similar to this, you've probably just installed WordPress onto your hosting, and now it's time to make it look good, and that's usually by adding a theme. So the first thing we want to do is come to the top where it says your website name, click on Dashboard, and then we can come down to Appearance and Themes. Now inside themes, you can see your already installed themes. Sometimes it might have 2022, 2020, maybe 2021. These are all very plain themes. What we can do instead is come to add new theme. And inside here is a lot of different themes that you can install to your website for free. We have things like Astra, Hello Elementor, Ocean WP. So for this example, I'm going to install Astra, click on install, and then in a few moments it'll say activate, click on activate, and now we have just installed a brand new theme. So if we go to our website now and have a look at it, this is now what it looks like. So it has changed quite a lot. Now let's say, for example, you wanted to use a theme that wasn't inside of the repository of themes here. Let's say, for example, the Divi theme. If you go type in Divi, you will notice that Divi does not appear. It is a premium theme, so you actually have to download it from their website. So I've logged in. What I'm going to do is download the Divi theme. Now I'm going to come back to themes, and this is where you can upload your new theme. So at the top here it says upload theme. So click on that, and now we have this area we can drop in a file. So I'm just going to drop that in like so. Click on install now, and this is the other method for installing a WordPress theme. As you can see, it is unpacking the theme right now. Now it is installed. What we want to do is click on activate. And now this Divi theme has been added. So if I come to the website one more time and open it up, now it looks completely different again. We have got lots of different content inside of here. So now we can go ahead and customize it. So hopefully by now you know how to install a WordPress theme. It is extremely easy, and to show you where it is one more time, if you come to the top, hover over your website name, click on Dashboard, come down to Appearance, Themes, and then inside here we have all of our themes that are installed. If you want to add a new one, click Add New, and this is going to be the free WordPress repository. If you can't find it inside here, you can then always go and upload your own theme. This is usually where you upload premium themes as well. Okay guys, that is it. If you learned how to upload a WordPress theme and you liked the video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. If you haven't yet, make sure you hit subscribe. I've got so many great WordPress tutorials coming out over the next little while, so you don't want to miss out on any of those. Thanks a lot for stopping by, and I'll see you on the next video.